Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can sell your music covers online by using Soundrop. So you recorded your music cover, now you want to sell it online. In this video I'm going to show you a service I use to distribute my covers on iTunes, Amazon, Spotify and Deezer. The service I use is called Soundrop and you can find it on soundrop.com. Let me just say that this video is not sponsored. I've actually been using Soundrop for quite some time now and it has worked well for me so far. Firstly, I'm going to talk about what their service actually is, and later I'm going to show you step by step how you can post your own cover online. Let me just say that Soundrop is owned by CD Baby, which is a different platform where you can distribute your own music, again on services like iTunes and Spotify. Soundrop focuses on the music cover department, although you can also post and distribute original music if you like. For originals, there are no fees, you can post them for free, so if you're not making much money from your own music, this is a great way to get started. Another thing you can do by using Soundrop is split the revenue between band members or co-artists. For example, if you made a song with another musician, you can email Soundrop and they can split the revenue for you. So each of you gets paid their own revenue separately, which is a great thing. Now there is a cost that you have to pay in order for them to distribute your cover. That cost is $9.99 in US dollars. Though personally I don't find this to be really expensive, the only downside I can think is their commission. They get 15% commission off your covers. Now 15% might not sound like a lot, but you have to consider that, for example, when you're selling on iTunes, they get their own share as well. And in the end, you're basically getting paid half of what your music is being sold online. And also on Spotify, the revenue is minimal, so there's a share on that as well. Nevertheless, I still prefer to use this service instead of other ones. For example, on distrokid.com, they charge you an annual fee to keep your cover online, whilst Soundrop does not do that. You pay once, they get their commission from there on, and basically your covers are online theoretically forever. On the other hand, if you were making a significant amount of money from selling your music covers, maybe DistroKid would be a better solution for you. Because you know that it's an annual fee for each cover, at the making of this video it's currently at $12 a year, and you basically keep 100% of your revenue. Something else worth mentioning is that from your music covers, the original author and composer of the song also gets his own cut. So you have to have in mind that in the end there's a lot of commissions that are adding up. If you'd like to support my channel, you can visit my iTunes store or you can visit my Spotify page. I'll put links in the description below. Okay, so now let's see the process you have to do in order to post your music covers online. Firstly, let me just say that you have to own all the rights to your recording. This means that you did not use any samples from the original song, or you hold the rights to all the samples that you used. Okay, so let's begin. After you've registered, you go on this page here, which is called Assets, where you can see all your albums and singles. You then click Actions and create a new album. So we have our main info here. There are a few specifications you have to follow. Firstly, let me just say that the recommended size for photographs or album covers is 3000 by 3000 pixels. We click here to add our album cover. So right now it's uploading and we can continue with the process. Also have in mind that in Soundrop, singles is a subcategory of albums. So you can make an album with one song, which is basically a single. Now our image is uploading and we can go and continue with the process. For this tutorial, I'm gonna be posting a music cover I made, which is basically a music cover of the X-Files theme. So I'm gonna write here, X-Files theme. I don't need to input a title version here. I go down. Is this a compilation of various artists? No. Artists indicate only one per field. Basically here, you input the artist account that you have registered. Here, I'm already saved on the Soundrop site. I click here, and there I am. There are no more artists. So the genre this cover was made is basically rock. So I type rock. And the secondary genre, I'm going to type metal, heavy metal. So on the copyright field, you basically type the year and your full name. Now this includes both the sound recording and the album cover, so you need to have the rights for both those things. So the first slot here is for the sound recording copyright, and the second copyright here is for the sound recording as well as the artwork. So because I did both, my name is on both slots. And for the three last options, previously released, no. On a record label, no. Do you already have a UPC? A UPC is basically a barcode, and they provide it for you for free, which is nice. And then we click Next. Here's the part where we upload our music. You can either upload multiple tracks or a single track. Here I'm going to upload a single track. It says here, drag your file here or click to upload. I'm going to drag and drop it. So I drag it here. So next it says language of lyrics. There is no lyrics, so I'm going to put instrumental. And I'm going to input the track title again. X-Files, theme. Artist indicate only one, it's already there. Do you already have an ISRC code? No, I do not. They'll generate one for me. Explicit lyrics? No. This track is. And here you can choose. It can either be an original song, a cover song, or a public domain song. We're going to click cover song. And this is basically where it says the cost per composition. We then click Next, and we go to the Publishing tab. We click on it, and we have this page here, where we essentially input the name of the original composer. Okay, so the original name of the theme is just called The X-Files, and the original recording artist is called Mark Snow. You can find all this information from searching a bit on Google. So this is the required information. This is optional if you happen to know any of these details. And if you like, you can also put a link to the original song here. And we go Save. And we go to the tab Review and Save. So we have all our information here. The X-Files theme, rock heavy metal, the copyright information, again the same thing here, and we have a preview here. If you'd like to watch the full video, you can click here to check it out. So we then click Approve, and then we click Send Release to Stores and Services. And we click Distribute Now. As soon as possible, yes, distribute worldwide. And these are the options for our shops. We click Select All and click Send. And here you put your billing information. So now I've paid, and this is the next step. So it says Distribute your release now. Please check the box to the left to confirm that you own or have legally licensed all the copyrights to the sound recordings, compositions, and artwork embodied in this release, and furthermore abide and agree to all terms as set forth in our distribution agreement. We click here, Lock, Release, and Distribute. So that's it, guys, we're finished, and now our cover is on its way to the online shops. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos. Thanks, and see you in the next one.